Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge. Dad, this is a big step. They've registered, they're in.
Absolutely.
Now what do they do?
But now they got to get their house keto ready. In other words, you got to remove the carbage, all the sugars and starches and carbs, and especially the carbage are the white carbs, the potatoes, the bread, the pasta, the junk food, the toast, the white rice, because that's very addictive and your flesh craves it, as well as the sugars. That literally throws you out of the keto zone and sabotages your weight loss efforts. So you want to stock your house with healthy fats. First of all, lots of healthy fats, lots of healthy proteins, and lots of healthy veggies. And we go through the shopping list to help you do that, and take that with you to the grocery store. Get rid of the garbage, and then make sure you shop and buy those keto-friendly foods like nuts and seeds and avocados and guacamole and things like that, as well as healthy proteins and veggies.
Now, during the next 7 days, we've laid out 7 steps for you. And so one of the key things that I learned the first time I did the Keto Zone Challenge, Dad, 7 years ago, was take your before picture. Take a frontal picture and a side photo. You are gonna want that after these 21 days. So you have 7 days to prepare yourself.
And your waist measurement. Don't forget that waist measurement.
So we have a 7-step process we call the next steps. And so fill that out. It asks for what's your weight loss goal? What is your goal? Some people don't do the Keto Zone Challenge for necessarily burning fat, although they can burn fat, a lot of fat.
Or their dress size goal, or their pant size goal.
Or just feeling better, or sleeping better. And so there's so many keys. When you get in the keto zone, you're shifting your body over into the metabolic ketosis.
From burning sugar to burning fat as fuel. That's
right.
The keto zone.
You want to make sure that you go through the next steps. You're going to see a pop-up once you register. It's going to ask for your before pictures. Step 2, it's going to ask for we call it the baseline. And so we want to get your numbers. We want to get your age. How motivated are you? Are you living an active lifestyle? We want to get your weight in there, your goal weight, your waist measurements, all those things. Those are good key markers because we're going to see where you're at the end of those 21 days. So go ahead and fill this out now, and we'll be able to compare it at the end of 21 days. We're going to see if your motivation changes. And then we have step 3 is, why are you doing this, right? Some are doing it for relationships. Some are doing it to lose weight, to burn fat, to feel better, to get more energy, sleep better. And so we want to know why you're doing this.
Also for health issues, I mean, it helps control blood sugar. It helps pre-diabetes and diabetes, type 2 diabetes, tremendously. It also helps with fatty liver. It helps with high blood pressure. It helps with that belly fat, the worst, most toxic fat. It helps you to lose that. But there's so many medical benefits for you too. And you may be suffering from fatty liver. 25% of Americans have fatty liver. About half of American adults have high blood pressure.
So some of you are doing it for your waist. Some of you are doing it for your health. And so either one, we want to know. Step 4, we've got our commitment, our Keto Zone commitment. This is really important, Dad, because when we can commit to something, we can put our name to something, there is another level of energy that we apply to that. So we want to get your focus and your attention because we want real results. We want you to feel the benefits and experience what it's like to have a breakthrough in your health and in your weight. Step 5 is the shopping list. Print that shopping list out. It's not confined to that shopping list only. I'm sure there are foods. I know you were just mentioning there's a really good keto bread you love. What is that keto bread?
It's called carbonate. It's gluten-free and it's low carb, real low carb, like 1 gram of carb per slice, which is amazing, and high fiber.
And it's called carbonate?
Carbonate, like an astronaut.
Okay. And we've got step 6, which is our supplement package, which is the Keto Zone starter pack. If you want the starter pack and you've never done the Keto Zone Challenge, it comes with the book. We have the complete pack, which includes both Keto Zone diet book and the Beyond Keto book, which should be called Beyond Keto Zone because very similar. It's just a little bit modified. What did you do? What was the difference really quick on the Beyond Keto and Keto Zone?
Well, what I've done is the Keto Zone diet had too many saturated fats, so it can raise cholesterol. This is low in saturated fats. It's high in healthy fats, olive oil, avocado oil, as well as fish oils. Fish oils are real important. Most keto diets are deficient in fish oil, and you have to have at least 500 milligrams of omega-3s a day. It's also high in vegetables. Most keto diets are not high in veggies, as well as high in fiber. Most keto diets are low in fiber.
Okay.
So that differentiates us from the standard keto diet.
Well,
that's because it's beyond Keto Zone.
So if you get the Keto Zone diet book, or if you get Beyond Keto book, there's a lot of good information that's not in the Beyond Keto book. So we want to give you both. And so you'll be able to see and you'll get the full comprehensive approach. That's in the complete Keto Zone, or you get the maintenance package. And the maintenance package is just the supplements, no books. And step 7 is join our Facebook Keto Zone group. And so this group is incredible. It's full of incredible people. I think it's upwards of 10,000. Many of them have done the challenge, completed it successfully, have shared their testimony, and are sharing it with others. They share recipes and articles and facts and figures. And so it's a very fun group. I encourage you, go there, sign up, join. It's free. Within 24 hours, someone from our team will accept you in that group. And then once you get in that and you've completed those 7 steps, you are ready for day 1. And so stay connected, come back. This is what we're calling the Keto Zone Hub. The hub is the place where you can look at your articles. You can go look at the videos, previous, future videos. You should be getting emails from us daily, encouraging you, giving you tips.
Now, if you have any questions, just call us. The Word of God says in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So you can too. Let's stick together. Let's do this thing together, and you can accomplish your goals.
You also have time if you want to order the Keto Zone starter pack. Get that pack. It's there to aid you. You don't have to order the pack in order to do the Keto Zone challenge, but it definitely does help. Would you agree? Or
That's what's part of your tool chest.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I like that, the tool chest. Okay, guys, you've got 7 days. Let's do this. Take your before pictures, get the shopping list, get the house keto ready. Make sure you get all the steps done that you can, and then we'll see you on the other side of 21 days. Oh, I almost forgot. And when you send your before and after picture at the end of 21 days, along with your testimony on how the challenge went, we are going to send you a free I completed the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge t-shirt. Just send us your size, address, and we'll get that right to you. Hey guys, let's have a great challenge. Dad, any last words?
No, just stick with it. The key is you've made the commitment. Now stick with it. Let's do this together.
We'll see you guys.